Let's start by drawing a straight line on the computer, that is the horizon. Let's mark a point in between, which we call the vanishing point. From the vanishing point, we take two lines right here, 1 and 2. These lines indicate the street. Now let's draw two lines for footpath. Oh wait, these lines should go right from the vanishing point outside. Right from the vanishing point to outside. Okay, this is my street, this is my footpath, and these are going to be my buildings. So basically, the lines of my building that are going up needs to be perpendicular to the, like basically here, they need to be perpendicular with the horizon. So all the lines which are going to go up as an indication of the building height are going to be perpendicular to my horizon. That is going to stand true in all the cases in all building heights in 1 point perspective. So like you're going to have these go like one. This is going to be the height part. Okay. The lines, the upper part of the buildings that is going to vanish, right? Let's draw a building here. Like this is your building. Is like building. Similarly, draw a straight line here and a building. So this is going to be parallel to the horizon like this. And similarly, we can draw lines like this. Like this. This is the house. We're going to say like this is the building. Okay. So this is, let me highlight it for you. This is a building. Okay. These are its top and bottom, which are vanishing in the center. Then the straight lines right here showing us the front portion, which are perpendicular to the horizon. Further on, the street is vanishing to the center, the vanishing point, and similarly, this is going to be a B1, this is going to be a B2. The confirming that here and here are the heights. This is the front portion that is perpendicular, that is parallel to the horizon. Okay, and then we can also have street lamps right on the corner, like street lamps, street lamps, street lamps here, and street lamps here. They should also be in perspective, keeping in mind. So we're going to have a straight line perspective in which we're going to have like 1 and 2 right here. So I hope this diagram is clear. And so moving on, we can say that this is a street view in 1 point perspective. This is basically a street view. Okay. Having these light poles here, which are also in perspective. Okay. And we can also put in some cars here like this. And even zebra crossings, if needed, be added. Okay, so like this is what I have come up with, and it's amazing. Like this is what I've come up with. This is street view, 1 point perspective. So if you have any doubt on perspectives, how to do them, where should I vanish this line, just comment it below and I'll be sure to answer your queries. And if you do like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. Like, thank you.